Well, hello, it's Sharon from ShapeX. Today I thought I'd show you how to set up some material in your Xtool library, and that'll really help you speed up your workflow. So let's get into it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, let's open up Xtool Studio. So here I've opened up Xtool Studio. I'm going to switch from the F2 to the P3. And now I've just got a rectangle. And I'm going to go to unknown material. And the easiest way to add your own material is to type in a material. Like if I'm looking for 3mm plywood, I'll just pick anything that's similar. I'll bring it up, I'll make the adjustment. So here I'm making it 3mm Bunnings plywood. And then I can either leave the picture there, or what I like to do is put my logo in there, which I got a tip from another YouTube guy. And that way I know it's my settings. So I've changed the picture to mine. I don't usually purchase the timber online, but I've just gone to the website, called up Bunnings, found the timber and copy and pasted the address in here. So at the top here, I'm going to call this cut, and we have several options here. Today I'm just using the lifting platform, so that's what I'll select. It's obviously going to be CO2, and I'm going to change it, the cut type or processing type, to cut. So in here, in my power, what I used is 3010. So I would add that in, and then I would hit, I don't need to do anything else, so I just save that. So I hit the save button, and there you go guys, there it is in our materials now. So from now on, when I select the Bunnings plywood, if I'm doing a cut, it will automatically put the settings in that I like to use. And then I thought, okay, so let's go back in and edit that material, and we'll go to add new. Eventually I will go up to the right hand side and click add new, and I will then go ahead and change this. Whoops, I've actually done too many. So I'll go ahead and change the schema name, or scheme name, whatever it is, to engrave. And I'll still be using the lifting platform and the CO2. And I will change the processing type to engrave. And then I'll go down and change the power and the speed settings to be what I use when I'm doing an engrave. And again, I'll just hit save. So I go to the engrave button. For some reason, it's not coming across. So I go back over here to the material in case you have this same problem. And I find, I type in Bunnings, or eventually it comes up. For some reason I ended up with 2. So now I click on the first one and I hit apply. I want to make sure that that actually does come through, because I am on the engrave thing and it does. Okay, so I got that bit right. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw out another rectangle, and I'm going to make that a cut, and that's not working. So let's go back into that material and we'll select edit. Oh no, I selected apply. I just obviously wanted to see if it would work, and it isn't working. So what we need to do is go back into that material and say edit. And what is my first one? It's set to score, so I need to change this first one to say cut, and the laser type would be cut, and it would be 3010, and I should change the name to say cut. So let's change that to say cut, and let's save that. Now when we say apply, and there you go, our cut is at 3010, and we already checked the engrave and it was correct. So engrave for me is black. So I'll change my engrave to black. I'll change my, well, my cut's already red. But now let's go ahead and put our score parameters in. So it will automatically do that for us every time when we select that Bunnings Timber, which saves a lot of time. You don't have to remember it. It's just a great feature that Xtool Studio has added in. Alright, so we'll go back into that material, we'll hit edit again, and this time we're going to go up to the right and select add new, and this time we're going to select score. And before I didn't show you the characteristics of this material, so that is what you can set. So I've come in, I've put my score parameters in, and now I'm going to go back and have a look, and there it is. I mean, this is a great time-saving tool, and it is also specific to the machine that you're using. So for instance, if we go in and select that and apply that in a different material, you're not going to see that on a different machine. So it just stops you getting confused about what you're doing, and I think this is a great feature they've added in. So I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and I hope you got some value out of this, and I hope you're enjoying your laser journey. If you have any questions or need any help, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below and to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys.